Yeah man, YouTube. Morning, morning, morning. And me again, your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Yeah man, bright and pretty after champs morning down a yard, yeah. And guess what? My energy not so up this morning, because my team, I made a root for fine. You see me head, you know who me a root for. I don't know them not come out victorious, but big up all the one team come out, boom. You understand, victorious, but guess what? Win, lose or draw, we not have to do what we have to do. So follow me now, man. Remember the last time when you see me, if you don't watch my last video, you don't realize what happened. Telling somebody that I got embark on a little bun journey, right? So me, I da lead the crew. That me tell them say me I go lead the crew. See? So through me I lead, me have to their head, so me have to start. So right about now, we are going to do some prepping for the bun. The prepping we are going to put with fruits as soak, right? Alright. Right here we have with cherries, we have some mixed peel, and we have some raisins. Remember I did link the ingredients below, so you see I have everything. But first may I ask you guys, wash your raisins and pick them. You understand? Because look here, you see them look something here? They look something here at the stem. So some of them tend to get left back in it sometimes. So wash your raisin and pick them. Alright, now we're going to put in half cup of raisin. Right, so I have a measuring cup here. So I can't find the cup and the spoon and the set them and them something. Because you tell you say I don't measure, you know. Me not a measure girl. So they may have them, but I don't know if I find them right now. But you know me, I don't have to search for them. So this is my half cup. So you get a nice clean bottle, glass bottle preferably. Alright. So in goes my half cup of raisin. Alright. Half cup mixed peel. The whole issue here is to get the fruits them rehydrated in time for the baking of the bun. And today we are going to bake the bun, half cup mixed peel. And today we are leave the fruits them to get them rehydrated. This is what this video is about. Getting the fruits in order for rehydration. Half cup cherries. Me have an addiction for cherry now. Me I taste one. Them all line, but no worry. When we are going to bake, we are going to run it through the blender and get a little coarse chop. And you don't want them all like that. You understand? You don't want them can't come out big side of the bun. Anyhow. So, right in. You see the whole thing? Alright, take your spoon and you get a little stir down the bottom inside there. Onto this now, you're gonna put 2 cups of red label wine. You don't have to use red label, because say it have a high alcohol content. For you, for whatever the reason, you can't use alcohol, you don't want alcohol, you can use fruit wine. Better yet, you can use pure water if you don't want a wine. Okay? 2 cups, we are going to put it in. And I see good enough because it's true for my team never win a champ last night. For me, I don't open up back yet. You understand? So now have to watch me. 2 cups. Right in. Cover that. Alright. It never send a cinnamon stick down there, but you see in a baking and cooking, you can play around. And you can use, because as some people come up with recipe, then play around. So I'm going to use 3 pieces of cinnamon stick, because remember cinnamon has flavor, So I'm going to drop in 3 pieces of cinnamon stick. Right? And cover. Right? A little shake around. Okay? This now, with the alcohol in there, you don't need to put this in the refrigerator. You leave it out in your cupboard. But look, this have a little seal, a sort of like a washer or something like that was sealed. But guess what? Alcohol is something was strong. So let us get a little kitchen rag clean, maybe not have brand new, but clean, dry. You put it over it and you put 2 elastics and you're ready to go. Right? If you put the alcohol or the fruit wine into it, you don't have to put it into the refrigerator. But as I tell you before, you can substitute the fruit wine with water. You can use water. If you do for whatever you don't want, wine, whatever religious or health reasons, whatever, you can use pure water. But if you use pure water, you need to keep it in the refrigerator until you're ready. When I bake no bun, we just prep the fruits them. You understand? To get them rehydrated. Alright. The ingredients on the link below is gonna give you 1 bun this size. This is the bun, the size of the bun tin, 30 centimeters by 13 centimeters by 6. And if you don't understand what that means, it means 30 here, 13 there, and 6 here. 30 horizontally, crossway, 13 depth, 6. So this is the size one we're going to get from the ingredients on the food. Right? So the next time, not necessarily the next video, the next time you see me on the bun thing, we will be baking the bun. Remember, I tell you something that embark on a bun journey. Remember, a journey is a process, right? So I introduce to the bun. Now I'm showing you how to put the fruits them for rehydrate, right? The next bun video, listen to me, the next bun video we will be baking the bun. So too late, if you never go get your stuff them yet, run go and go watch the intro to the bun, check out the ingredients them below, watch this video, and the next video upon the bun, you'll be in line with me. Look here now, man. Look here now. Me still a real from where my crew no get last night, But here me I say, they be from down a yard,